Hi guys, just would like to wish all our viewers and subscribers a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm feeling rather pleased at the moment. As many of you are well aware, we have a book out called Small Boat Big Plans that's been available on digital formats for over a year now. But it's now being released in paperback form on Amazon. That will be available on Amazon.com and Amazon.co.uk in the next couple of days. So certainly after Christmas. But not only that, we have a second book out titled Ain't Going Nowhere, and this also is available as of Christmas Eve on digital formats, but also in paperback form just after Christmas. So, two books, Small Boat Big Plans and Ain't Going Nowhere. So, let's just have a quick look at 2021. So, it's New Year's Eve, the end of 2020. Beautiful crisp morning. Just a few minutes walk away from Hull Marina, we have the streets of Old Hull Town. And it was quite a cold start to the year. Bit of frost, marina frozen, even Precision 1 had trouble getting out. And we did get out, and a nice run up to Hessel. It's not far from Hull Marina, only about 4 or 5 miles upriver, but it's just nice and tranquil. Further downstream you've got Spur Point. That's around about 20 miles. We did this run a few times during the year, mainly because we didn't get anywhere else. So I'm on shift today. This is Sunday. I was on shift all day yesterday, 12 hours, and I'm on shift all day today for 12 hours, doing lock keeping duties. So we have a couple of control panels. This is the main panel that we work on for the locks, and this takes care of the pedestrian gates and opening the inner and outer locks. Coming out through the outer harbour is Humber Rescue and the vessel that's in distress. This vessel had been taken on water and actually would have sunk if they hadn't have beached her. And so as we started our journey down, we got into some decent seas. They were choppy, no real direction or organisation to the waves. They were just extremely sloppy. Some would break over the bow, some would break at the side, rocking, rolling, pitching. Couldn't really get any speed up. Didn't really want to either, we had plenty of time.
And then we've got empty ocean again.
And you just keep following those all the way in. It's still a long run, but the Harbour Commissioners have done a fantastic job of simplifying this entry. And even though the weather was a little bit inclement in places, wasn't quite what you would expect in July, this is England, and therefore, yeah, you make the best of it. And we had a brilliant time. It was just a shame it was only 3 days for us. We had to make our escape on the Thursday. The thing you must do when you go to Wells is keep a close eye on the weather. Make sure you are not going to see any northerlies coming. You don't want to get trapped into Wells, and quite a few people the week after us were trapped there, awaiting a weather window to get back out. So just be aware, keep watching those weather forecasts. So I've got the old exhaust out, and the reason I want to change it is, whoa, it's broken there. Actually fractured inside the heatproof covering, and as soon as I got hold of it, this just sheared straight off. So this is a death trap. Well, it's a beautiful morning out here. We're just on our way down to Spurn, anchor off for the day and possibly overnight. A little bit misty this morning, the sun hasn't got out to burn off, but it's promising to be a beautiful day. So we're just approaching Spurn. I'm going to try and find our usual spot. And there we are, we're now set about in our normal spot with the 2 towers. We've got the lifeboat station and pier just there, and as you can see under there, the lifeboat is just moving back to his station. On days like this you could be in the Med. Just look at that, blue seas, blue skies, clean sands, boats in the background anchored, not bobbing around and not being bashed about. Well, we're having a trek across the point and through the bushes. We've got binks number 3, and these are the binks. This is the area at high tide you do not want to cross. The porpoises, yes. I really don't believe you can't fathom out horses. I really don't. Apart from, I know what's wrong. It's upside down.
Yeah, but I turned it round so I could do the sky. The problem is, the horses are all the same colours. I'm used to pieballs. It's just...
I bought her this for Christmas.
Last year?
But
let's be honest.
Here comes the boats.
5-6 months without being able to see.
Yeah.
So I haven't been able to do it.
Yeah.
But it's just...
Excuses. What are you doing, Jenna?
I'm reading your book. What Pepper was doing, I really don't know. I think he objected to me having the pages here. He's got a few teeth marks in for you.
So I'm back writing. I'm writing the follow-on to Small Boat, Big Plans.
Is it in your way?
And Janet's doing some proofreading. I'm a little way into it at the moment, up to about chapter 13.